Hello, hi, I'm Tembeka from Yizo.com. Msiza, who played Nkunzi on SABC1 telenovela Uzalo, he released the song titled I Am a Father, together with Xolani Mgcobeni. The song speaks about the important role that fathers should play in their children's life and society. He said, "We live in modern days where there is a lack of family structure which could assist in such a situation," he told the publication. Caesar is planning a men's conference next year, 2021, to address men how to uphold their dignity in a society. The song encouraged all men to sit down and come up with a way forward on how to stop this women's domestic violence. He said, "We come to this world through a woman, but it is the same men who kill them. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see when I upload it."